Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Today for our Just One Craft project video, we are going to jazz up a couple of pillar candles from Dollar Tree. We're going to use the candles, some rub-on transfers, jute twine, and some bells from Dollar Tree. Now, this isn't the fun part, but it is a necessary step to get a nicer finished project. I'm going to take the heating tool here and heat it up and get as much of this sticker off as I can. I'm going to tell you, these stickers are on there. So I'm going to heat it up, peel it, really try not to burn your fingers. And then with what's left of the sticker, I'm going to use some Goo Gone to remove that. So I have a nice clean surface to start crafting with. Now I am choosing to use a couple of rub-on transfers from monarchmomdiy.com made by Magnolia Design Co. You can use this same idea using other stickers that you then Mod Podge. You can also use window clings from Dollar Tree as well. This is just quick and easy and what I had on hand, but you can take this idea and modify it. I will put the links for these rub-on transfers in the description of the video if you are interested. I love the vintagey, old-timey Christmas look of these, and they're super easy to put on, especially to glass. They're really easy, they grab on. So I'm applying the rub-on transfer like a sticker. Once I peel the backing off here, you can see I'm going to lay that down on my candle and then burnish it so that it transfers from the plastic sheet on top to the candlestick. Now you can see I was trying to peel this up because I did not get it straight, but we are going to fix that. It started to release when I tried to pull it up. So we're going to go ahead and go with it, burnish it down, peel off the plastic cover sheet. So here I'm showing you at the bottom where it is uneven, but we're going to take some jute twine. I'm on the back side now of that second candle. And first I'm going to, there's a little notch there. We're going to take hot glue a little bit at a time and lay our first row of jute twine in that notch. And then I am just going to wrap it until I get down to the rub-on transfer. I'm doing it all the way down there. Again, like I said, because my transfer is not straight, I was in a little bit of a rush. And so we're just going to cover the jute twine all the way down to the rub-on transfer. Then just add a little dot of hot glue there to finish off her wrapping on the back, and we'll trim off that piece. I'm also going to do this same thing on the bottom of this candle. And again, finish it off with a little dot of hot glue and then trim that jute twine. And we'll do the same thing to our second candle. Once we have them both done, I'm going to take a few of these little gold jingle bells from Dollar Tree. I'm going to string 2 of them on a piece of jute twine and attach them at different lengths to the top of each of the candles. Now that I have my twine with the 2 bells hanging, I'm going to put some hot glue there and glue the knot right to the hot glue. We'll let that sit for a second, and then I'm going to make just a simple jute twine bow to glue right on top of that knot. And of course, we'll do the same thing to the second candlestick as well. And here they are, our jazzed up Dollar Tree pillar candles. Love this, just adding a couple bells, some jute twine, and a rub-on transfer. Let me know what you guys think of this project in the comments. We'll see you next time, and here's some videos you can watch. Until then, take care.